Hi sir, I'm Jamily Lang from BSCE 3 Block 2 again. So this is my Seatwork number 4. So we will talk about what I have learned in the video that you have sent, but and also on what I have learned on the overall topic of strain. So what is strain? Strain is the ratio of change in length caused by the applied force to the original length. So I have a diagram here. Diagram siya ng strain. So, makikita natin yung rod is rigidly fixed sa ating wall na may length na L and have a cross-sectional area of A. So, pag nag-apply tayo ng P, ng load P, magkakaroon tayo ng deformation dahil humaba yung rod. So, isipin natin, pag humaba yung rod or change in length, magkakaroon ng deformation at pwede natin i-denote yun as delta. Kung sa stress, stress is denoted as sigma. Dito naman sa strain, we will denote the deformation as delta. So, by that illustration, mabubuo natin yung formula for the strain. So, strain is denoted by epsilon. Sobrang bago sa akin yan kasi akala ko ilang yon. So, hindi pala. So, by the way, proceed to formula. So, epsilon is equals to delta over L. So, the epsilon, we denote the strain as epsilon and delta as the change in length and also L as the length. So, wala tayong specific na unit para dito. Unitless siya. So, nakadepende ang unit natin sa magiging tanong or ano yung given units sa problem. It can be meter, centimeter, inches, like that. So, nakadepende talaga sa problem kung ano yung magiging unit natin.
We have two types of strain. We have normal and shear. Normal strain, it characterizes the dimensional changes. It changes the dimension or the length of the body. Ang shear strain naman, it characterizes or describes distortion. Ito naman yung nagde-describe ng changes sa angle ng body. Tapos, ang normal strain naman, meron din siyang tension and compression. So, parang ito yung nagli-link at nagkakaroon ng hint na ang stress at strain ay may relation. Axial deformation. It is where the deformation happens when the load is added to the body. So, in axial deformation, nagkakaroon ng changes sa length or sabi ko nga kanina, it is denoted as delta. So, now we will talk about Hooke's law. Ito si Robert Hooke, siya yung scientist na may kasalanan ng lahat kung bakit tayo nahihirapan. Char. So, he stated that elastic material like rubber band and ductile material such as steel has a high value of strain, while yung brittle material naman katulad ng glass at concrete have the lower value of strain. So, masasabi nga naman natin na pag malutong yung isang bagay, mas maliit yung value ng strain sa kanya. Samantalang sa mga elastic na mga bagay, mas madali or mas magkakaroon yun ng change in length. And next, we have the stress and strain diagram. It is a diagram which respects the stress acting on the y-axis and strain on the x-axis. And this has different stages. First, we have P as the proportional limit, E, the elastic limit, Y, the yield point, R, the rupture strength, and U, the ultimate strength. So, these stages have different characteristics. So, iisa-isahin natin kung ano yung characteristics ng bawat isa at kung ano ang meaning dito at kung anong dulot nito sa stress and strain diagram. So, first, we have the proportional limit. So, ito yung straight line means proportional nga. And by that, magkakaroon tayo ng formula and also constant. Yun yung modulus elasticity or Young's modulus. Magiging formula is Young's modulus is equals to stress over epsilon, where it means strain. Elastic limit is the maximum stress or force per unit area within a solid material that can arise before the onset on permanent deformation. So, ito yung point na hindi na babalik sa original shape yung body if nagkaroon na siya ng deformation. Yield point is the point on the stress and strain curve that indicates the limit of elastic behavior and the beginning of plastic behavior. So at this point, mapapansin natin na horizontal na yung line. So sa unting i-apply natin na load, magkakaroon tayo ng malaking deformation. Next, ultimate strength is the maximum stress that a material can withstand while being stretched or pulled. Rupture strength is the strength of material at rupture, or also called as breaking strength.
So maybe that's all, sir, for what I have learned in introduction of strain and also the strain and stress curve. So thank you, sir. Sayonara.